Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore the art of finding balance in our stressful lives. Find a quiet place to sit and settle into a comfortable position. Gently lengthen your spine, keeping your back muscles relaxed. And when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Consciously release tension in your forehead and eyes. Relax your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. And now, gently turn to your breath. Observe your breath exactly as it is. Allow your breath to flow freely. Watch it coming in and coming out. Notice how your breath creates a sense of expansion on your inhales and a natural releasing on your exhales. Stay with this expanse and release, and slowly let your breaths get a little longer. Notice the sense of space as you inhale. Your ribs and lungs grow out in all directions like a balloon expanding. Notice the sense of ease as you exhale. Your ribs and lungs soften in all directions. There is a natural balance that exists between the two parts of your breath. The ebb and the flow of the breath creates an equilibrium. Stay with the natural space of your inhales and release of your exhales for a few moments now. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. No judgments, no labels. Simply return to your expansive inhalations and soft exhalations. And observe the balance between the two parts of your breath. Now, gently allow your attention to widen. It seems that busyness and doing too much has become the new norm. We live in a world that revolves around rushing and being productive. And when we finally slow down, some of us even feel guilty about resting. There is definite merit in being productive, but this constant scrambling and hustling from one thing to the next can leave us feeling stressed and unhappy. Balance is key. In our meditation practice, we make space for stillness. This teaches us how to deeply listen inward. We reconnect with our innate intuition and our instinctive need for quiet times. We learn to better understand what feeds us and what doesn't. And this internal connection allows us to recognize the activities and people in our lives that bring us joy and contentment, and the ones that drain us. Finding balance in our hectic days can take a bit of practice. It means saying no from time to time so that we can say yes to the things that nourish us. So start slow. Take a few short moments each day to tune into your breath and to listen to your internal messages. From this small window of stillness, let the balanced ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales move you to a more peaceful state of mind that spreads out into the rest of your day. Slowly bring yourself back into your body and into the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. I hope this session has served you well, and we'll see you back here soon.